The recent stock market crash has affected many quality stocks, including defense sector leaders like Hindustan Aeronautics, HAL, Bharat Electronics, BAIL, and Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders. Despite strong Q2 results for FY 2024-25, these stocks present buying opportunities, especially with expectations of new defense policies following global political shifts. Let us look at some of the major companies from the defense sector and their significance. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, or HAL, is a state-owned aerospace giant that designs, manufactures, and maintains aircraft and helicopters. With robust support from the Ministry of Defense, HAL plays a pivotal role in strengthening India's air defense capabilities. Next is Bharat Dynamics Limited, or BDL, a government-owned enterprise specializing in guided missiles and allied equipment. BDL ensures India's missile strength with critical support through national defense deals. Finally, Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders, a leading Indian shipyard, builds warships and submarines, benefiting from strategic government naval projects. Now, let's explore more companies making strides in the defense sector. Paras Defence and Space Technologies Limited focuses on developing cutting-edge defense and space engineering products. The company is expanding rapidly through major contracts and partnerships, boosting its strategic portfolio. Cochin Shipyard Limited, one of India's largest shipbuilding enterprises, constructs vessels for both commercial and defense needs. It stands to gain from the government's push for indigenous defense production. Lastly, Solar Industries India Limited is a key player in manufacturing industrial explosives and defense-related products, including ammunition. It actively supports defense modernization and aligns with the government's self-reliant manufacturing vision. Let's break down the quarterly performance of these defense sector companies based on key metrics. Starting with sales growth, Mazagon Dock delivered the strongest performance, achieving an impressive 51% year-over-year increase. Paras Defence followed with a 42% rise, while Solar Industries reported a solid 27% growth. Hindustan Aeronautics showed moderate sales growth of 6%, whereas Bharat Dynamics faced a 12% decline. In terms of EBIT growth, Mazagon Dock once again led with a massive 189% increase, showcasing exceptional operational efficiency. Paras Defence recorded a strong 47% EBIT growth, and Solar Industries achieved a 33% increase. Hindustan Aeronautics posted a modest 7% rise, while Cochin Shipyard remained flat with just a 1% growth. Bharat Dynamics, however, saw a significant EBIT decline of 26%. When looking at net profit growth, Mazagon Dock shined with a 76% surge, closely followed by Solar Industries with a 43% increase. Paras Defence also performed well, with net profit up 45%. Hindustan Aeronautics reported a 20% increase, while Cochin Shipyard managed a 1% gain. Unfortunately, Bharat Dynamics experienced a 17% drop in net profit. EPA's growth mirrored these trends, with Mazagon Dock and Solar Industries achieving the highest jumps, highlighting their strong financial results this quarter. Let's compare the 5-year compounded growth figures for sales and profit among these defense companies. Mazagon Dock leads in sales growth with a strong 15% increase, highlighting its strategic importance in naval projects. Solar Industries follows closely with a 20% sales growth, driven by demand in the defense and industrial explosives sectors. Hindustan Aeronautics, HAL, has maintained a steady 9% sales growth, while Paras Defence recorded 21%, showcasing significant expansion. Cochin Shipyard reported a modest 4% sales growth, and Bharat Dynamics, BDL, saw a decline of 5%, reflecting operational challenges. In terms of profit growth, Solar Industries comes out on top with a remarkable 28% increase, emphasizing its profitability in a growing market. Hindustan Aeronautics follows with a solid 26% profit growth, demonstrating efficient operations. Mazagon Dock posted a 20% rise, while Paras Defence registered a healthy 24% growth. Cochin Shipyard recorded an 11% profit increase, and Bharat Dynamics managed an 8% rise, despite sales headwinds. These comparisons highlight which companies are excelling in growth and which are facing challenges. Looking at the technical chart of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, we can see a significant uptrend earlier in the year, with the stock peaking around mid-2024. However, recent months have shown a downward correction, with the price currently near 4,047 rupees. Key support levels around 3,900 rupees could be crucial. If the stock bounces from here, it could signal a potential recovery, but further downside might indicate extended bearish pressure. Analyzing the BDL chart, the stock experienced a strong rally earlier but has since been trending downward, forming a descending channel pattern. The price is currently around 963 rupees, testing the lower trend line. If the stock breaks below this support, it could signal further downside. However, a bounce from this level might indicate a potential reversal, making the channel's resistance an important level to watch. Mazagon Dock's chart shows a powerful rally earlier in the year, peaking near 6,000 rupees before entering a consolidation phase. The stock is now hovering around the 4,072 rupee level, with key support around 3,880 rupees. This support zone has held multiple times, indicating strong buying interest. If the price bounces from here, it could lead to another upward movement. However, a breakdown could indicate further downside pressure. Paras Defence's chart indicates a sharp correction from its peak near 1,600 rupees, with the stock currently trading at 977 rupees and 30 paise. Key support levels to watch are at 901 rupees and 859 rupees, which have previously acted as strong accumulation zones. If these levels hold, we could see a potential bounce. However, a break below this support could signal further bearish momentum, making these levels crucial for the stock's next move. Cochin Shipyard's chart highlights a steep correction from its peak near 2,750 rupees, with the stock now trading around 1,351 rupees. Key support lies at 1,184 rupees, which previously acted as a strong base. If this support holds, it could trigger a reversal or consolidation phase. However, a breach below this level might indicate further downside pressure. Investors should monitor this critical support zone for any signs of trend continuation or reversal. Solar Industries has shown a strong upward trend, trading within a rising channel for the past year. Recently, the stock has broken below the lower trend line, now trading around 9,832 rupees and 35 paise. This breakdown could indicate a potential shift in momentum. If the price stays below this channel, it may signal more downside. However, if it reclaims the trend line, it could resume its bullish trajectory. Watch for confirmation in the coming sessions. Let's discuss the valuations and market caps of these key defense companies and what they indicate for future prospects. HAL, with a market cap of 2.73 lakh rupees crore and a pay ratio of 32.3, has a relatively modest valuation compared to its 5-year profit growth of 26%. This balance suggests potential for continued strength. In contrast, BDL has a high pay of 64.4 but struggles with declining sales and just 8% profit growth, raising concerns about future performance and a potential valuation correction. Paras Defense commands a hefty pay of 94.6, but its 21% sales growth and 24% profit growth somewhat justify this premium. On the other hand, Solar Industries has a pay of 88.6 but delivers robust 20% sales and 28% profit growth. Finally, Mazagon Dock, with a market cap of 82.6 thousand rupee crore and a pay of 32.1, showcases impressive 15% sales and 20% profit growth, indicating more upside potential. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only and not intended as investment advice. Always conduct your own research or consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.